Guys, so in this video you're gonna see me do the unboxing of the actual guards, which I have right here. It's something I use in my travel kit, and I'll explain why. But with that being said, let's get into the unboxing, and then I'm gonna give you my actual review of it because I've had these for several months now. So let's get right into that video right now. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Carlos here once again from Premier Cuts, and we have a set of guards that my boy Joseph put me on, and I use the purple magnetic guards. That is a Andy Master blade. Also, you can use it on the fast feed. Everybody knows about those purple guards, and I still use them even on my wall clippers. A video about that is in the near future, talking about how I'm able to do that. It'll be a quick video, but when he showed me these, I said, yo, I gotta pick these up, because now I don't probably have to use those purple guards on my wall. I could probably just use this, but we're gonna find out. I want to get right into this box, but before I do, let's see what we have here. This is magnetic teeth set hair clipper combo. Okay, so we have 1.5, and I love that. It comes with a 1.5. It has a 2. It has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the way to 10. The only one it's missing, it seems like, oh no, it's not the 1.5. It's the half blade. Wait, I gotta look. Let's just open it up. I'm confusing myself. Let's see what we got here. So, okay, this is the part here. I don't know why I was reading that. That doesn't even look like it was accurate. So, great thing about this, it has the half. So, it has a half, it has a 1. It has the 1.5 blade or guard. We have the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and the 8. So this is literally a complete set. The great thing about it being a complete set, it has both the half guard and the 1.5. It can't be a complete set if you don't have those two. When it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it doesn't have your in-between, I can't call it a complete set. Not just that, but it also has this case, not case, but it has a place to actually mount all your guards with the numbers there. This thing is a complete kit in my opinion, and for the price you cannot beat it. And that's just those things. We're not talking about the magnetic aspect of it. This right here is why I am in love with this set already, because it has a magnet, and anyone who knows me and knows that I use the purple magnetics knows that I love this aspect of it. This is I can't wait to use these, and I will be using them today because I'm about to go to work. So anyways, that is what comes in the box. That is what comes in this little container. You have all your guards from half all the way to 8. That's a total of, I want to say 10. Yeah, because it's a total of 10, because if you were just to count from 1, 2 to 8, that's 8 guards, not including the 1.5 and the half. So I bet you want to know what I actually think about this system, and the system is right here. This Wahl replica guard system, I love it for its functionality. 2 reasons why. One of my favorite clippers of guards of all time has always been the Andys. So if you take a look here, this is for the Andy system, but I've always actually used them, a little life hack, on my wall clippers. When I say wall clippers, anything that uses a wall blade, it still fits. If you take a look right here, it's not a perfect fit because you see there's a gap right there, but because of the magnetic clip, it holds there, and I use these all the time. So when I came across these guys right here, it also has a magnetic These are also a magnetic guard, very similar to the purple ones I just showed you, but these are meant for the Wahl system. So this gives you a perfect fit. As you see, there is no space. This clips perfectly on. So the fitment is great, and let me show you different machines. So this is what I use at home. Same with this one right here. You see, perfect fit. This is my travel, one of my travel clippers. You guys know how much I love the 1986. Perfect fit. Also in my travel kits. A lot of people still ask me about these, and yes, I still use these. Check this out. You see that? Perfect fit. I also have these guys. I probably haven't shown you guys the unboxing video of this, but yeah, right now they're in my travel kit. Perfect fit once again. You can see. So they fit on multiple different clippers as long as it's a Wahl system. Either something like this that actually has a Wahl blade on it. So this is a Wahl fade blade. And you guys can see. This is a knockoff. This is the blade that comes with this. It uses a Wahl system. But you see, different blades. Again, the Kemei. This is the original blade that comes with the Kemei blade clipper. So it fits a variety as long as it's the Wahl system. I like it because it's built very well. It has this organizer. You have 10 guards, and we're going to talk about one of the two of the guards that I don't like, which is you have 8 through the half. So my problem is with the half and the 1. The half, this is the half guard right here. And this is the 1 guard right here. Now, these two just do not cut as well as I would like. I don't know why. Maybe it's the way the teeth are designed, but they just, for me, they don't cut very well. So that's one of the reasons why I don't have them as my main guard system, is because to me, they don't cut very well. Do they get the job done? They definitely get the job done. Just for me, they don't cut very well. That being said, they still cut well enough that I use them in my travel kit. So let's take a look real quick. And I'm gonna make a separate video on what I use when I travel. So here we go. This is what I have. It's a little messy. I'm actually organizing and cleaning it, but haven't got to that point. I just wanted to show you. But yeah, I use these here. You guys know the 1971s. But yeah, I use these guys here, and it works perfect for that. Obviously, you see I have other stuff here, but you know, we'll get into a separate video of everything I use in this right here, because I know people want to know, like, what do I use for travel? And I think that'll be a cool video. If you like that, please leave a comment down below. But anyways, there's not much more I have to say. I'm gonna leave a link in the comments. I like them. I use them. They're not 100% perfect, obviously, because you get 10 of them, and 2 of them I just don't personally think they cut that well. The rest of them, anything between, I would say, the 1.5 to the 8, cut very smooth. Enough is good enough for me, and that's about it. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you haven't already, and you keep coming back to this channel, subscribe. When I drop a new video, you'll be one of the first to be notified about that. Hit that bell to be notified, actually. And that's about it, guys. Links to this will be in the video description. Follow me on Instagram, because that's where I do a lot of the behind the scenes stuff, and you get a little information before I even drop some of these videos on videos I might be working on and whatnot. So guys, thank you for tuning in. As always, I will see you in the next video. Later.